Firecracker Indian prawn.
Hello and welcome. I'm Margaret Godwin Pinto.
Cooking made so easy. That's why we have Indian curry recipes, simplifying authentic Indian cuisine. Now you can make it from home. Join us today.
So you'll need 500 grams peeled prawns. Add some garam masala to it, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You can add garlic paste as well. 1 teaspoon ginger powder or ginger paste. 1 teaspoon dried herbs, optional. 1 tablespoon oil or teaspoon oil. Salt as per taste. Mix this all well. And cover and keep it in the fridge overnight. Now in a bowl, for the batter, add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Any flour will do. 1 tablespoon of fried onions. You can make this in advance and keep it. And crushed pepper powder for extra spice. But if you want, you can avoid it. Salt as per your taste. Remember, prawns need less salt, so you can avoid the salt as well. And 1 tablespoon of water just to mix the batter. Mix this really well. Make it like a paste. And then we will add the marinated prawns to it. That's the marinated prawn which is kept in the fridge. Just add to it. Then heat some oil in a deep vessel on medium heat or medium flame. This is a nice starter. Heat the oil and gently coat the prawn, dip it in the batter and fry it. You will fry it for roughly 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Then turn it and fry it again on 2 to 3 minutes on the other side and take it out on a paper towel. Now remember, be careful while adding this to the oil. Add it gently. Avoid getting burnt. Be careful of the hot oil. So if you like prawns, you can make this with prawns. Or if you wish to have a veg option, you can try tofu as well. Or you can try the Indian cottage cheese, paneer. You can try that. Or you can try any veggies as well, broccolis or asparagus. The same procedure and the batter. So you can try a veg version as well. So there's nothing wrong in trying the same procedure. If you want veg, just add vegetables to it. Take it on a paper towel and serve it with hot sauce or any sauce. Serve it warm. Enjoy. You can now buy our book and support our fund. We are hiring women next year who have lost jobs. Support us. Hi everyone. So I'm super excited to share with you my book, my first book by our Indian curry recipe. Behind getting this company was to help many women who have lost their jobs just like me. And this is the book we launched to raise funds. And next year we'll be hiring loads of women who've lost their job, starting with UK. And each book bought will contribute towards the business. We'll put it back in the business and will help us hire women for a bigger project. And it's a surprise at the moment, but you will get to know in Jan. So keep supporting us. Thank you so much for all your love. Subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Every subscription, every fan, every follower means a lot to us. And each week we are coming up with new recipes as per the vote. So, luxury but easy to make recipes. Yeah, so head straight to our YouTube channel, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't hesitate to email us info@indiancurryrecipes.com. Yeah, so please buy the book. Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. New recipe. Remember, every Friday 12 p.m. new recipe UK time. Thank you. Bye.